Hi everyone, I am Dodie Heggie and I am your child's Cooking 7 teacher. So this is a new course this year. For those of you who've had kiddos go through the junior high or middle school or maybe even yourself, it is different than our normal life skills class that was required. We had some changes last year and therefore they affected what we're teaching this year. And so we decided to offer a semester course that is just cooking. So of course it's going to be an introductory level, hopefully reaching that intermediate level by the time we're all finished. Of course, with everything this year, it's going to look different as we are not going to have our 84-minute blocks. So the recipes that we're going to be doing are going to need to be accomplished in 42 minutes. So that's probably the biggest change. And every time I get an idea for a quick, easy recipe, I am writing it down. So if you have any great ideas, I would love for you to email those to me. That would be amazing. And so we do get to cook this year. I've been asked that a lot. We do get to cook this year, respecting socially distancing, of course. And so we're going to do a little trial and error, meaning we're going to see what works in 42 minutes and what maybe doesn't. So if kids come home and say, "Whoa, lab was crazy today and I didn't get finished on time," of course we'll try something different next time. So I am really looking forward to this year. I loved seeing your kids last week. Um, and getting going in this school year, I didn't realize how much I missed them. I knew I missed them, but I missed them even more once I saw their faces and felt the energy that I got from all of them. If ever you have any questions or concerns about this class at all, please feel free to reach out to me. I have an activity for the kids right away to learn food allergies and allergies to materials to keep everybody safe. And hopefully, we get to just have some fun and great experiences. And of course, I hope to get to see everyone back those 5 days a week soon. So, take care. Again, open door policy, call, email, whatever is best for you, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.